So, uni po si Jana Mercasio po. Mabasa po muna siya ng dedication po, kang storybook. Next page po. Ay, sige po.
Dedication. This reading booklet is dedicated to the children with disability, that you are not defined by what you cannot do, but by the love, creativity, and strength you already have. To every child who moves differently, speaks gently, or sees the world through a unique lens, this story is enough. You are the star in your own story, and never forget that.
Now, Jana, I will ask you po if naintindihan na po ba yung storybook ko ng maayos?
Opo.
Kung naintindihan mo po na maayos, pwede po magbigay ka po kung ano po yung natandaan mo na pwede mo pong makakwento sa akin.
Sa kwento po, natandaan ko na si Thomas ay may kondisyon sa paa, tapos sa baba ng Nara tree, gumagawa siya ng mga laruan galing sa kahoy, tapos nagkaroon ng flood, tapos nawala yung chapel bell nila sa lugar nila, tapos gusto niya sumama maghanap, kaso hindi siya pinayagan kasi nga dun sa kondisyon niya. Pero nung dumating yung star galing kiina na hanap niya yung chapel bell, yun lang po.
Wow! Parang lahat mo naman natandaan sa story. Ang galing mo naman. Ngayon po, Ate Jana, pwede ka po magbigay ng feedbacks po dun sa storybook na ginawa ko po.
Maganda naman po.
Ano po? Ano pa po?
Maganda lang po.
Maganda nga po yung kwento. Pero napansin ko po, parang may papel ka po na ginawa na sulat po. Yan po ba yung gusto mong sabihin?
Opo.
Pwede mo naman po sabihin sa video.
Okay. Sa kwento po, nagagandahan ako kasi may star po na dumating para tumulong kay Thomas at Rosa para makita yung chapel bell. Tapos, kung wala po yung tulong galing kay ina, mas mahirapan po sila maghanap. Kaya, naisip ko po na panatilihin po natin ang magkaroon ng mabuting kalooban o matatag na loob para gabayan tayo ng maayos ng ating Diyos at para sa kagandang asal natin na mabibigay niya. Tas gusto ko rin po ng star galing kina.
Ay, wow! Yun naman. Kahit din ako, gusto ko din magka-star galing kay ina. Thank you po, Jana. Mabuti naman at nagustuhan mo yung kwento na ginawa ko. Salamat!
Welcome po.
Ay nabanggi po, inipusin ako pong parent tsaka si akin niya po, si Bing Mercasio po, tapos si Jana Mercasio po. Sida po atong matao po ni feedback po sa sakuyang storybook na nagibo na ang title po is Thomas and the Star from Ina po. Dangugunta na po unyan si Miss Bing kung ano po ang feedback na gusto niya po itawsa po.
Good evening. The story of Thomas and the Star from Ina is an original story created by Miss Rina Ranieses, which depicted Thomas, a child with disability, has proven himself worthy of recognition despite his condition. This shows that our society should recognize people with disability for their strengths and capabilities despite of their conditions for most of the time. When they are underestimated, they are actually the ones that are able of the things as able-bodied people are not capable of doing. My insights about the story is just an additional fact that what I already known. However, I was reminded to never underestimate people with certain conditions because they can also do the same thing as we do. Sometimes even better than all of us. Additionally, our conditions do not define our abilities. Although I have no comments, I could suggest to be more relaxed and compose oneself as to not disrupt your own flow in reading sessions. Via internet or personally, as for another suggestion is to fix the grammar structure of your work before submitting, especially in terms of punctuations, as punctuations error can come off wrongly when reading the story. Now, to reach your goal in life, you will need the following: passion, determination, perseverance, and resilience as to succeed in life.
Sige.
Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am.